Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best MIG welders on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Forney Easy Weld 261. If you are someone that needs a welder while you are on the go, or you just like to move about your shop to work at different stations, then this is the welder for you. This model weighs in at a trim 19 pounds, which makes it very easy to pick up and move from place to place. The carrying handle is another nice touch that makes moving this model a simple practice. Something else that makes this such a nice option for use on the go is that it is designed to be used without gas. Instead, this welder is meant to be used exclusively with flux wire, which is provided when you buy the welder. As you would expect from such a lightweight and portable machine, this welder is also quite compact. This easy-to-move design will allow you to store this model when it is not in use in a cabinet or in the back of your vehicle. The compactness of the welder only adds to its portability, which is, obviously, ideal. Number 2. Our second best pick is Hobart Handler 140 MIG Welder. If you are in the market for the best overall MIG welder for your home workshop, then this is a fantastic option. For starters, this model has one of the widest current ranges available on the market today. This makes it very easy to find the right amount of power for whatever project you have in mind. Dialing up this power is also quite easy, thanks to the simple-to-use voltage selector. This straightforward knob will allow you to select from 5 different power settings, which will save you from having to spend time fiddling to find the right voltage for your weld. Another big selling point for this model is that it comes with each and everything that you might need to start welding right away. While many models only come with the most basic parts, this welder has a gas gauge, circuit clamps, and the nozzle to get the job done. It even comes with flux wire if you don't want to have to use any gas to get clean welds. This machine is also built to last. It is made to be extremely durable, which is never a bad thing. The only real issue that you will need to keep in mind with this welder is that, even though it has a wide current range, it is not good for thicker metals. Of course, it works perfectly up to its thickness maximum of 0.7 millimeters, making it a great option to be used in a home workshop. Number 3. Our third best pick is VIVOHOME MIG Welder 130. One of the biggest issues with lots of MIG welders is that they need to be used with argon gas in order to get good results. While this isn't that bad if they are being used in a workshop, it is less than ideal if you are on the go. It can also be a bit of a pain to continuously refill and purchase more gas all of the time. Thankfully, this model from VIVOHOME is available to combat this issue. This welder is designed to be completely gas-free and instead relies on flux wire to complete its welds. This helps to make this model a lot more portable, though it is a bit on the heavy side to carry around all of the time. Something else that is really nice about this welder is just how easy it is to adjust it. If you want to adjust the speed of the wire, all you need to do is change the dial to any of the 10 different available speed levels. The same can also be said of the different current levels. This model has a wide range of available currents, which can be easily found on the current level adjustment knob. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Display 4 Top MIG Welder. If you know for sure that you are going to be moving all over the place with your welder, then you most definitely will want to make sure that you get a lighter model. That way, you will be able to quickly and easily pick up the entire device and move it along to the next project. If that is indeed what you are looking for in your welder, then this just might be the right option. It weighs in at a lightweight 18 pounds, which makes it one of the lightest MIG welders you can buy. Even though this machine is lighter than other models, that doesn't mean that it can't get the job done. In fact, this model has a larger than average current range and can be used for materials up to and including 0.8 millimeters. This welder also has built-in overload protection, which is a big benefit that will help to keep it working in top-notch condition. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is HITBOX MIG 252 Aluminum MIG Welder. While most home-based MIG welders are not prepared for larger welding jobs, that isn't always the case. Take this model, for instance. While most home-based MIG welders can only be used on metal that is, at best, 0.7 mm in thickness, this model can be used up to 1 mm. While that might not seem like all that much, it can make a very large difference if you are trying to complete a heavier-duty project at home. As you would expect with a model this powerful, this welder has a current range that goes all the way up to 250 amps. This extra power provides the right amount of electricity to quickly and easily weld thicker metals with this machine. Of course, this also means that you need to have a heavier-duty 220-volt electrical outlet for it to operate out of properly, so bear that in mind before you make your final decision. Surprisingly, even though this model is so powerful and uses so much electricity, it is actually not that heavy. This makes it quite simple to pick up and move from job to job or place to place. This versatility is something that really helps to set this welder apart. Add in the fact that you can use this machine with or without gas, and you can see why it is so easy to use in lots of situations. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.